Hello everybody, in this video I will show you the Antimi A5 smartwatch, this exact model. We will go through its functionalities, how to set it up and some of its specifications. So keep watching. So this is the initial feeling of the watch. You can see it's quite large. The size are 51 by 15 millimeters. And the actual screen is about 5 centimeters in diameter with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. That makes 1.3 inches circular display. Here is the sensor and here are the two contacts for the charger. You know, as with all the waterproof smartwatches, this is charged through such a charger with two magnets on the two sides, which sticks here, and the watch is getting charged. This one is IP68 waterproof, and that's it basically. You can see here the actual band, it's rubber, and it's quite good quality, and it's interchangeable through these screws right here. That's how the watch looks like. Two buttons on the right side to power it on and off, and to change the mode of the watch right here. Only two buttons, and the screen is touch sensitive, but the touch sensitive part is only this one here at the bottom. So let's go on with the functionalities the watch has. First of all, it has three watch faces. So if you press and hold, it changes between the three different watch faces. 1, 2, and 3. So they all show different information on the screen. For example, that one shows the number of steps, 114, the heart rate, which is not measured right now because it's not on my wrist, and the calories burnt, 4 calories. It also shows the time, the date, and the power and the battery level right here. And it also shows the connection icon, which shows the watch is connected to your phone. It can be connected to an iPhone, iOS device, or to an Android device. Once again, you can see it's quite big here on my hand. That's how it looks like. It's being advertised both for men and for women, but it's up to you to decide whether that size of smartwatch is a good fit for you. So now let's see the functionalities. You go through the different functions by tapping the screen. Once again, it's touch sensitive only at this bottom part. It shows the number of steps I've taken so far, calories burned, the actual distance that I have walked, the time I've slept, and here, for example, we can start with measurement of my heart rate. So you press and hold on the touch sensitive part, and the measurement starts now. So let's see what it will show. According to reviews online, this one and the blood pressure measurement can be about 25% of the actual measurement with the professional unit. So my heart rate is about 86-87 beats per minute, which is about normal for me in that condition. Next thing is total time of exercise I've taken today. Here it can measure my blood pressure. Again, according to reviews and some opinions online, this can be about 25% of an actual professional measurement with a professional unit. Let's see what it will show now. The measurement takes some time. And on the screen, again, it comes with scratch resistant folio right here, which is not removed now. So that's why it looks a bit scratched, but it's not the actual display. Okay, 108 by 73 is my blood pressure. Now, what else we can see here in the functions? The measurement of oxygen in my blood. Again, I don't know what it needs to show for the measurement to be normal, but let's see what it will show. 97%. This may be useful for someone, not for me at that stage. Here I can read my messages on my phone, kind of notifications. You can play your music from your phone or use the watch as a shutter for your camera. So you start the camera on your phone and you can use that watch as a shutter for the camera. I will show you how it works in more detail a bit later. Timer. Let's see how it works. Yeah, it starts. When you want to stop it, you press and hold. Okay, yeah, you can start and pause it by tapping once, and by tapping and hold you reset the values. Here you can see the details of the watch. You can select the connection to your phone from here as well by tapping on the options, and now we are back to the home screen. So that's the first watch face. I've shown you what kind of details it shows. Let's go through the other two screens again. This one is the other one, 4 calories, and the blood pressure is shown here. Again, the steps and the date and the time, it's quite nice. And that's the third one. Again, the same type of information is shown. That's how it looks like. Really cool, like a real watch. So now I can show you how to set the brightness of the screen. It was here in the settings. You press and hold and we go down to brightness. Now it's very good to use even in bright sunshine. It has 5 levels of brightness, even this one, which is really low, 2nd level, 3rd level, 4th level and 5th level, and it's really bright in direct sunlight. It would be really possible and easy to use this watch with that screen. Press and hold to set this exact setting, reset the watch from here, switch it off, and we go back again to the home screen. Now finally, about the battery, it's 180 milliampere hours. According to the manufacturer, it takes about 2 hours to charge, and the battery life is about 10 days of usage. But again, according to some online opinions and reviews, it stays on for about a maximum of 2 days, even less. So make sure that it fits your expectations. Okay, so here you can see how big is the watch compared to an iPhone 11, and I will show you the application now, which is application called the Fit, DA-Fit, that you need to download on your iOS device or on your Android device to connect to your watch and to read your data. So let's see how it works. This is DA-Fit, the application that you need to use with that smartwatch, and I think with some other brands as well. So that's how it looks like on the iOS App Store. You download it and you open it. That's how it looks like. At the beginning you need to set up your profile, like selecting your gender, age, height, and so on. So basic information that the application needs for you to measure your calories and other information correctly. So now see, we can probably add a device from here. So we have connected to the watch now, and the data is live, 114 steps today, 70 meters, 4 calories, no sleep, and the blood pressure is not sent as information here. Maybe if I put it on here like this and tap on measure, yeah, it starts the measurement here on the watch. We are waiting for the result, which will be shown both on the watch and on the phone, I hope. So let's see what will happen. And here it shows the normal blood pressure is between 90 and 140 millimeters Hg. Yeah, the information appears, you see, on the phone and on the watch as well. If we go back to the application, you can see all the other exercising you've taken and the other heart rate measurements, blood pressure, and so on. Here we see information about the actual watch, the level of battery, it's 52%, you see right here. Watch faces, you can change the watch face from here, 1, 2 or 3. Let's see how it works. I select number 1, I select number 3 and it changes automatically. Going back, we see notifications. You can select which apps you want to receive your notifications from. You can switch off some of the notifications here. Alarms, shutter. See, you start your camera here on the phone and you use the shutter on your watch. So it works like that. Start the camera here, and now we go to the shutter option here on the watch. Where was it? Here you just tap and hold and you see the phone takes a photo. It's in night mode now, but that's how it works. So if you want to take a family selfie or something else, you can use your watch via Bluetooth connection to take that photo. And that's it. I think that's everything I wanted to show you about the Antimi A5 watch. It's really a great device for you to have. It's quite big, but at the same time it's about 54 grams, so it's not very heavy on your wrist, and it's really comfortable to wear, and it's quite good in terms of design and manufacturing. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. Also like the video if it was useful for you and subscribe for my channel. Thanks again and goodbye.